Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Renu Gupta and the bulletin starts with Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang to defend AI dominance as a competition intensifies. Google AI model used to erase watermarks for images raising copyright concerns. Google plans to team up with the MediaTek for next AI chip. Intel new CEO pilots overhaul of manufacturing and AI operations. Qualcomm unveiled 3 new Snapdragon G series chips for handheld gaming devices. iPhone 18 Pro to feature upgraded 5G modem and a variable aperture camera. Samsung announces one UI 7 rollout with AI-powered features and more. In the previous quiz, we asked you what is the full form of IoT, and the answer is Internet of Things. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is the full form of SIM? Confident you have got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin if you need it. First up, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang will take the stage at the company's annual developer conference to defend AI chip to dominance to competition growth. Nvidia valued a nearly $3 trillion to faces pressure to rivals offering a more cost-efficient AI solutions. China DeepSeek recently shocked US markets with AI chatbot requiring less computing power, leading to a dip in Nvidia stock. Meanwhile, Nvidia is set to unveil a new chip system, a Vera Rubin, expected to enter mass production later this year. However, its processor David Blackwell faced production delays affecting margins. Nvidia dominates AI model training, but a competition is rising in interference market, where AI-generated responses are companies including AMD and AI startup aim to develop a more energy-efficient chip, challenging Nvidia's power-hungry GPUs. Now, Google Gemini 2.0 is a flash is facing a scrutiny allegedly removing and watermarks from images, including those from a Getty image, raising concerns over copyright infringement. Reports on X and Reddit suggest a Gemini experimental images generation tool to strip watermarks for effectively than existing AI tools. Beyond watermarks removal, the model text-to-image feature reportedly lacks guardrails, enabling the generation of celebrity images and copyrighted content. This could invite a legal challenging and copyright holders. Google recently expanded access to Gemini 2.0 flash image and generation tool for experimental use via Google AI Studio. Meanwhile, the company has introduced a synth ID to watermark AI-generated content and participate in a coalition for content pronouns and authenticity. Alongside Microsoft OpenAI and Adobe, however, enforcing AI-generated content tracing remains a challenge. Meanwhile, Google is set to collaborate with the MediaTek to develop next-generation tensor processing units and expected to launch in 2025, marking a shift from exclusive partnership with the Broadcom. According to the reports, Google aimed to reduce per-chip cost for leveraging MediaTek's strong ties with the TSMC, a major semiconductor manufacturer. Despite the shift, Google will continue working with the Broadcom. Google Move is a part of its strategy to lessen reliance of Nvidia AI demand surges. Last year, Google is reportedly spent $6 to $9 billion in TPUs, reflecting growing investment in AI hardware. Now, Intel new CEO Lip Wu Tan is preparing major challenges and revive the struggling chip giant. Tan aims to streamline AI, strategize, restructure manufacturing, and cut middle management to boost efficiency. Sources told to recruiters a key focus is improving Intel Foundry, which produces chips for clients like Microsoft and Amazon, and also plans to restart AI chip development and beyond service targeting software, robotics, and AI foundation models. Under former CEO, Intel invested $1 billion to compete with TSMC, is contract chip manufacturing, but scaled back and a decaying demand. Tan, a long-time selected Gensler execution, will refine the strategy of aggressively counting new customers. Intel, which reported to $19 billion loss in 2024, faces stiff is a competition from Nvidia and ARM Holdings. Qualcomm has announced its latest Snapdragon G series lineup, featuring the Snapdragon G3 and Gen 3, Gen 2, and Gen 3 and Gen 1 chipset. Designed for handheld gaming devices, these processors promise better performance to enhance graphics and improving connectivity for Android-based gaming handhelds. leading to the lineup the Snapdragon G3 boost and 30% CPU boost and 28% faster and GPU performance over its processor. It supports Lumen Unreal Engine 2.5, QHD and 144Hz and the Wi-Fi 7 for smoother gaming. However, it does not feature Qualcomm latest Orion CPU and Adreno 830 GPU to found a flagship smartphone. Apple is set to debut with the iPhone 18 Pro in 2026 with its a second gen in-house in 5G modem. The C2 modem, which will support a MAM wave for ultra-fast connectivity, according to the leaks. This upgrade aims to rival a Qualcomm modems, while Apple is also testing the C3 modem expected to launch in 2027. The company's goal is to surpass Qualcomm modem technology entirely. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 is lined up with the retained the C1 model with the Pro models continuing the used Qualcomm chips. As Apple's supply agreement with the Qualcomm extends through 2027, in addition improved connectivity, the iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to features and the variable aperture camera, the first for iPhone offering user a greater control over depth of field. Dutch from BE Semiconductor reportedly supplying to Aperture blade technology, allowing dynamic light regulation of better low light and a portrait photography. Samsung Electronics has announced that One UI 7 will roll out of April 7, introducing a bold new design of AI-powered features for more initiative and user experience. The update will begin the Galaxy S24 series, a Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, gradually expanding to more Galaxy smartphones and tablets. Enhanced personalizations and design, a One UI 7 offering a streamlined home screen, redesigned for widgets and initiative lock screen. The new Now bar provides a real-time updates on the lock screen, allowing users to check workouts or music playback without unblocking their phone. Smarter AI-powered feature Galaxy AI enhances a multitasking with AI Select, converting a video clips into GIF and writing assistant. Formatting a text automatically, a drawing assist refined for sketches, while audio eraser removes a background noise from videos. Thank you for tuning in today's bulletin. For more such tech updates, follow IT Voice.